Why does brand purpose matter? To put it simply, it is what consumers increasingly are demanding across the globe. Brand purpose shapes the brand perception and hence is also relevant for the buying process of your consumers. In a recent survey where we looked at more than 2,000 consumers in the US as well as Germany, we found two things. First, it is clear that 58% of the consumers regard brand purpose as a key element of the brand perception. More than 50%, secondly, find it extremely important that the purpose is actually verifiable and trackable. And here comes the catch. Brand purpose needs to be more than just a marketing tagline. It is not enough to string together a couple of fancy words, but rather you need to come up with a purpose that is able to guide your entire value chain. At Roland Berger, we have developed a very simple and pragmatic approach to help you find this kind of brand purpose and to make it work for you. It works along 4 steps. First, understand your consumers. What do they want? But also understand your internal stakeholders. Where are they regarding brand purpose? Secondly, define a brand purpose which is clear, resonates with your consumers, resonates with the culture, and is trackable. Third, make sure that you interlink this brand purpose with whatever you're doing in your company. It needs to be guiding for your value chain. And finally, ensure that you leverage it on everyday decision basis. To sum it up, brand purpose is key for your consumers. It is not enough to have the short marketing tagline. You need to operationalize it. You need to make it work for you.